How to fix Mrs. app not showing contact's name. In order to fix this issue, let's get started with the video. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to the settings of your device. Once you are inside the settings, head over to your Apple account at the top, and then move into iCloud. Once you are in here, move into Save to iCloud and tap on See All. In this page, you have to make sure that the contact option is turned on. For you, if this option is toggled off, then it might be one of the reasons that you are facing this issue. If that's the case, simply toggle on this button and you might be good to go. If not, go back to the settings page and then move into General. Scroll down and click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Reset and then click on Reset All Settings. Enter the passcode of your device and then once again enter the screen time passcode. Now tap on Reset All Settings. After that, once again you have to enable contact option and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.